Here we go. We got kittens. Waxon just went over into the woods. He's over there. And we got, no, Waxon's right there. Pumpernickel went into the woods. And the cats are all eating oatmeal or something. Look at that. They love it. They love it. Yeah, look at Tsitsi. Tsitsi lets the kittens eat first. She wants to get her other kitten. Come over, but I scared him away. Get your kitten, Tsitsi. Get your kitten. Look at him. My hand's a little shaky. Here goes Lightning coming over to mommy. They're cute. They're lovable. We love them here. We don't want them to get chased away by Socks. Socks is another cat. And we got the Tomcat that comes around. Maybe we'll see Tomcat someday. There's Wax. There's Pumpernickel climbing through the tree. He's coming around the garbage can. He just wants a little oatmeal. We'll let him get a little oatmeal. Bye for now. God bless y'all in Jesus' name. Bye for now.